Hey guys, Grant here from Spectra Racing. So today I wanted to show you the 3D printed Garmin Catalyst mount I have here in the Mustang. So one of the advantages of the Catalyst, if you don't know much about it, it's kind of like an AI-based racing data solution. It really boils down all the racing mumbo jumbo to simple commands that get fed to you basically via Bluetooth in like a motorcycle helmet speaker. So one of the things in the car, though, is it comes with like a dashboard mount and stuff. But with the Mustang, I wanted to keep the tablet mount here, which I have, that shows intake air temperature and coolant, and the big ones here, and speed and some of the other stuff. So I can see what the highest speed I hit and stuff like that, or the intake air temperature. But one of the things I got recently was a 3D printer. So one of the advantages of the Catalyst is you can just kind of take it off, and then you can go sit in the air conditioning car or something and review the data. So I'll show you the lap here in a minute, but just to go over the 3D printed mount itself, you can see here I just made a little slider. So this magnetic mount, which is a quick disconnect, which is pretty cool, is hooked up to the dash here itself. So I have the print for it. It's a little specific to my car, but you can chop off the end here, and lots of room for all the cables and stuff. Everything's hardwired in the Mustang, but the Catalyst uses USB, so it's very convenient. And you can just sit here in the car and review the data. And you can review it in real time. There's no messing around in race render like I've been doing here on the channel for like 10 years. Very, very cool piece of software. I definitely recommend, especially if a loud car like mine, to get the motorcycle helmet. So, because the thing speaks to you, and it just tells you, you're doing a good job here, or it says brake later there, or use more speed here. The commands are very simple, and it kind of boils down all these different optimal and average lines to those simple commands. And as you'll see here in the lap, I've already picked up almost about 2 seconds. It's about 1.9 seconds faster than my previous best at the firm. So here's the lap here, and enjoy. Let me know if you have any questions though about the Catalyst, and I can do a follow-up video.